SocialPilot is all about giving you control and flexibility over your social media strategy. Our various intuitive publishing options allow you to easily tailor how and when your content goes live. Whether you're looking to post immediately, schedule for a later date, or send content for approval, we've designed everything to suit your needs. But let's talk about queue slots, a standout feature that truly enhances your publishing experience. Here's how to utilize it. Navigate to manage accounts and pick account to view its schedule. In the Schedule tab, you'll find queue slots, which are essentially time slots dictating when your posts are automatically published. Adjusting these slots couldn't be any simpler. You can delete time slots that don't fit into your strategy and add new ones that do. Want to change the 3:20 p.m. slot to 3:30 p.m.? Simply remove the 3:20 slot and add a new one for 3:30. You even have the flexibility to add unique time slots for specific days. Feel like starting from scratch? You can easily reset your queue and set up a new schedule that aligns perfectly with your content strategy. Once you've got your slots in place, automate your posting with ease. When you select Add to Queue for a post, it automatically goes into the next available slot, organizing your content calendar efficiently. And if you have a must-share post, use the Share Next feature. This ensures your priority post gets published in the very next slot. If that slot is already filled, SocialPilot smartly moves your existing content up, making room for your important post without disrupting your overall schedule. There you have it. You're now equipped to automate your social media posts across different accounts using SocialPilot's Queued Slots feature. If you're looking for more detailed guidance or have any questions, our support team is always ready to assist. Try Queued Slots on SocialPilot right away